If you take a textbook, page number 14. Here one activity is there, true or false. First question, an operating system works as a bridge between software and hardware. Answer is true. And the second one, the most commonly used operating system is Unix. That false. Most commonly used operating system is Windows. So the answer is wrong. Then the screensaver is also called a wallpaper. No, that also false. Screensaver appears when we touch the keyboard or mouse. False. Weather, clock and calendar are examples of gadget. That true. Then first and last are true, other three is false. First true, second false, third false, fourth false, fifth true. The next topic, Windows accessories. Windows accessories is a set of application software that is a part of Windows operating system. See, this one is accessories. Click on the Start, All Program, their accessories are there. These all are the accessories, Windows accessories. Okay, normally we are taking that calculator, then notepad is there, paint, then sound recorder, sticky notes, WordPad. These all are the Windows accessories. See, we already studied the paint, notepad, WordPad all. Then now we are going to study calculator, sound recorder and sticky note. The calculator. Calculator is an accessory used to perform calculation. Its use is same as your normal calculator for calculating that numbers. For taking the calculator, click on the accessories, then calculator option is there. It's very similar to electronic calculator. This is a calculator. See, these are the numbers. Click on the numbers. These are operations, division, multiplication, subtraction, plus then equal to sign is there. Just click on any number using your mouse. Okay, that thing is coming there. Then output also displaying here. Okay, this is a normal calculator. It's a backspace key. That all. The next one is sticky notes. Sticky notes is an accessory program. It is used to setting reminder on your computer screen. See, we are setting the reminder in mobile phones. Same as in the computer screen also we are setting the reminder. But it's like a notepad, like a note. Okay. For taking the sticky notes, click on the accessories. Click on the accessories. Sticky note option is there. Just click on the sticky note option. A blank notepad is coming like this. Okay. Then you can write anything here. Here a delete cross option is there. There plus option is there. If you need a new option, new sticky note, click on the new option. If you want to delete that sticky note, you click on here. See, you can remove the note on the click key and clicking on the cross button. If you need a new one, plus button. Okay. Then next one is, see, if you right click on the sticky note, a pop-up menu appears like this. There you can change the color. Some colors are there. You can just click on the color. That color is changed. And then cut, copy, paste option there. Delete option also there. Okay. Then sound recorder. Sound recorder is an accessory program. It is used to record sound. Same as this also. The same as your mobile phones. You can record a sound using the sound recorder. A microphone is needed for recording the sound. The sound recorder is in accessory program. Click on the accessories and then sound recorder. This window will open. See, at the opening time, this window here is start recording. If you click on the start recording, this start recording is coming like this, stop recording. Okay. Then after click on the stop recording, this window is coming there. That's the save option. You can give the file name and click on the save button. That thing is here. See, click on the start recording, start speaking into microphone, and then the button changes into stop recording. Then stop recording, click the stop recording button, another save as window will open. Next page. Another one feature is there, on-screen keyboard. On-screen keyboard means a keyboard is coming in your monitor, okay, like this. That option is in the ease of access. In the accessories there another option, another folder there, ease of access. In that on-screen keyboard, in case your keyboard having any complaint, you just click on the on-screen keyboard and just type the letters or type anything using this. Just move the mouse pointer in the letters and click on there. That thing is coming in your screen. And the next thing is Windows games. Windows has a set of interesting games. Default games are there. Their games folder is there. There some default games are there. In start all programs, that games are there. See, it's an example of Minesweeper game, and then there are so many other games are there. Okay, only this much in this chapter. Anyway, we finished our 4 chapters for our first semester exam. Just read the textbook neatly, study well. In the next class we will discuss the exercise.